Hello everyone, my name is Genesis. I hope everyone here is doing well. Let's take a look at what I'm going to be presenting. So my presentation is about Seminar 3, Discussion 3-point Assignment. Let's go ahead and take a look. So the presentation's overview and summary will be about what I've learned, some of the concepts of what presentation really is. And I know ecosystem is trying to expand their marketing business, and I'm going to show you about how they can do that through social media, of course, and some of the recommendations that I recommend for them to use. Alright, so presentation is communicating to everybody, correct? But in order to do that, the best way to present somebody is to following these 11 steps to take. So of course you gotta turn off your computers. You need to put the audience first. Solid structure, very clear theme. You gotta remove all that unnecessary stuff. Of course, his favorite, let's do hook them early, as what Gar Reynolds said. You gotta show a clear conflict, demonstrate a clear change, show or do something unexpected, surprise your viewers, make them feel something emotionally wise so that they can have some sort of connections while watching your presentations. And of course, be yourself, be authentic. Alright, so things that I've learned on this seminar is what presenting is really like, what a great communication is truly. It's basically storytelling. So if you're able to know how to storytell correctly, then you're able to present well. I learned how to write a business executive summary. I learned reports and some outlines to do. I learned how to prepare videos, organize this, using some graphic aids, of course, technology, and putting all the data together. Describe how, personal aspects, audience analysis, feedbacks, and use of visual can contribute to formal presentations, and using physical appearance, postures, facial expressions. I hope I'm doing this well. Gestures and voice quality in effective and business communication. Alright, so ecosystem, this is their marketing strategies and how they can use social media to expand their business. So ecosystems has been around ages, helping students with gaining the ability to business communicate well at a strong level of communication. It's time for ecosystem to expand its market through social media. And social media can help them having some exposure, target marketing, and some networking. Alright, let's take a look. So social media, best way to get exposure is to get attention, build awareness. You can communicate authority, show authenticity, encourage engagement, and show affordably, and provide some support. Alright, so target marketing, you can connecting directly with specific audience, attracting high quality leads, making brands stand out, developing a deeper customer loyalty, improving customer relations, focusing on specific segments, and building products and service. Networking is basically the get-go for social media. Business, you can do business leads, identify best practices, new business trends, increase confidence and connections. And here we go. Some of the recommendations that I personally would like to give them in order to flourish through the social media challenge is to learn how to increase leads. You can learn how to improve search engine ranking, learn how to control traffic, drive traffic, meaning, people coming in and out, keep an eye on competitors, develop trust with customers. You have to create brand recognition and establish brand as a topical authority and maximize conversion. Here are my citations and references that I have here so that I don't get plagiarized. And that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day now.